प्रियम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पार्ट 2। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है प्रदीप और आप देख रहे हैं स्टडी ग्राफ। In this video lecture, we will understand the controversy about the preamble, whether it is a part of the constitution or not, and amendability of the preamble. क्या preamble कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का ही अभिन्न अंग है और क्या इसमें बदलाव लाए जा सकते हैं? To understand this, we will have to understand the historical judgments given by the Supreme Court of India in few cases. Perubari Union Case 1960, Keswanand Bharti Case 1973, and the Union Government versus LIC of India Case 1995. Perubari Case 1960. The judgment of this case was given by the bench of 9 judges of the Supreme Court. In the judgment, the court said, "Preamble is a key to the minds of the framers of the Constitution and it reveals their intentions." जब कभी पार्लियामेंट कंफ्यूज हो जाए कि देश को किस रास्ते पर ले जाना है, they can read the preamble. It is a guiding light. But court also said, preamble is not the part of the Constitution and can never be a source of power. Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala Case 1973. The judgment of this case was given by the bench of 13 judges of the Supreme Court. In the judgment, the court said, preamble is an important interpretation of the Constitution. Preamble is not a source of basic structure but the manifestation of basic structure of the Constitution. Preamble Constitution के basic structure का source नहीं बल्कि अभिव्यक्ति है. In this case, court rejected earlier opinion and said, preamble is a part of the Constitution. Union Government versus LIC of India Case 1995. The judgment of this case was given by the bench of 3 judges of the Supreme Court. In this case, the Supreme Court has once again held that preamble is integral part of the Constitution but cannot directly enforceable in the court of law. Preamble संविधान का अभिन्न अंग है, लेकिन कोर्ट में सीधे लागू नहीं किया जा सकता. Conclusion. Like any other part of the Constitution, preamble was also enacted by the Constituent Assembly. Hence, preamble is a part of the Constitution. Despite judgments of the court, 2 things to be noted. Preamble is neither a source of power to legislature nor prohibition upon the powers of legislature. Preamble ना तो विधायिका की पावर का सोर्स है और ना ही विधायिका की पावर पर रोक. It is non-justiciable, that is, its provisions are not enforceable in the court of law. Preamble के provisions कानून की अदालत में लागू नहीं किए जा सकते. Amendability of the preamble. This question arose for the first time in the historic case of Keswanand Bharti in 1973. Whether preamble can be amended under Article 368? क्या preamble में बदलाव लाए जा सकते हैं? After the judgment of the Keswanand Bharti case, it was accepted that the preamble is a part of the Constitution, and as a part of the Constitution, preamble can be amended under Article 368 of the Constitution. But the basic structure of the preamble cannot be amended. As of now, the preamble is only amended once through the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The term socialist secular, and integrity were added through 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Socialist, secular were added between sovereign and democratic. Unity of the nation was changed to unity and integrity of the nation. Keywords. In the next video, we will understand some of the keywords which are mentioned in the preamble with the perspective of Constitution. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. You are watching StudyGraph. If you understand and like the video, please subscribe and like. You can also follow us on Instagram and Telegram. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.